going on, you guys? Welcome back. I hope you're all doing very well. So there's two things that have happened today which are totally amazing. The first thing is that the UK has finally got some nice weather, and the second thing is that I've got a fresh trim. I'm feeling good. So today I decided to come into the gym and do a back and bicep workout for you guys. So let's get inside and let's go on.
The first exercise that was performed within this workout was deadlifts. For deadlifts, what I like to do is do 3 warm-up sets just to get the form correct and feel out the weight before going into any heavier lifts. So for my warm-up, I like to do around a low weight and around 5 to 8 reps. And those reps, I would mix it up between, let's say, paused reps and speed reps, and just getting all nicely warmed up. For the main working sets, what I would do is I would do each weight twice. So let's say I would do 100 for 5, and then I'll do that for 2 sets, and then I would up the weight to 120, do that for 5 reps, and then do that for 2 sets as well, you know, and then I'll do that with every weight. Let's just bear in mind that I've only recently just started deadlifting. That's because I never actually felt like I needed deadlifts in my workouts, but I've seen a lot of guys doing deadlifts and everyone's saying how this is a miraculous exercise for back. So I started doing them and I feel pretty good after them, but I'm still not going super heavy or trying to, you know, focus on the weight. I only mostly focus on the contractions I get from this exercise. The next exercise, we have a superset of wide grip pull-downs for your lats and close grip pull-downs for your mid-back. So for these exercises, I recommend about 5 to 6 working sets with about 8 to 12 reps each set. And before you start your main working sets, you should do 2 sets of warm-ups, just focusing on your form, and the contraction you will get from this exercise is unbelievable if done correctly. I suggest and try to minimize your breaks between exercise 1 and exercise 2 because I just like to keep the intensity high. Next exercise, we have close grip pros. For this exercise, I like to do anything between 4 to 5 working sets with 1 or 2 warm-up sets. The reps are kept between 6 to 10. I don't really go anything below that, I don't go anything above that. I also, while I was performing this exercise, I like to bring the bar, which is like a bar, that's not really a bar, but I like to bring the metal bit to my belly button, unlike most people where they bring it up to the top ab. This is because I feel a much better contraction in my lower lat, whilst also getting a great pump in my mid-back, and that's exactly what we're looking for. next exercise we have is wide grip rows. This is for the wide back that everybody wants, and I genuinely do enjoy doing rows on the cables. I feel like I get a really good contraction. Sometimes when, let's say, I'm doing it on the barbell, I get a great pump, but I just don't feel the contraction as well as I do on the cables. So that's why I like to mix them up. But I do genuinely believe that the barbell is the better option when wanting to build the big wide back. The cables I like to do to get, like I said, a good contraction, a good pump. But if you're really looking to put on mass onto your back or to any body parts, free weights is the way forward. And for the final exercise of the workout, we have single hand pull downs, and this is going to be a drop set. At the reps, you're looking until failure, so you're smashing out as many reps as possible and for the 2 sets that you're going to be doing. And this is literally just to kill off the back and to finish it all off before you go into the back bicep workout.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up. Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like